Board of the American Philosophical Society, he was appointed first superintendent of the survey. His plan prescribed a system, an execution of a system of triangulation along the coast by which all detailed surveying operations were controlled in accuracy, with each separate unit fitting exactly into the overall scheme. The plan presented two methods. Allow me to read those two methods to you. The first method would be a complete triangulation survey of the whole coast, including the determination of latitude, longitude, and azimuths of the principal places, such as lighthouse, capes, or prominent landmarks. The sides of the triangles were to be from about 60,000 to 100,000 feet in extent, resting on two or more bases, the baselines to be measured with all possible accuracy. The second method omitted the large triangulation, but retained the design of fixing the prominent points and features of the shore by the same method of determining by astronomical observations their latitude and longitude, and correcting the differences in time by the comparison of good chronometers. Details were to be filled in by appropriate instruments as circumstances might direct. Albert Gallatin of the Treasury Department chose the first method. Hassler had devised an entirely new concept. He traveled to Europe and returned with an array of surveying equipment built in accordance with his design, which was the envy of all surveying organizations of leading nations. The United States, our new nation, lacked the technology to fabricate the instruments. Hassler had designed and built, by Campfield of Newark, New Jersey, a spring carriage of exact dimension and arrangement to accommodate his instruments. This carriage was found to be the best means of transporting the instruments, some weighing 100 or more pounds each over difficult terrain. In the spring of 1817, field work with the new instruments was initiated near New York City. After only 5 months in the field, there was agitation in Congress.